Dr. Lasky? How are that others holding?
Steadiest I've ever seen. All must be well in 1957.
Paradox radiation?
It's still there.
And causality dictates they were unsuccessful. Prepare for evacuation.
What's the point? We won't survive out there any better than we will here. Oh, but you know this, don't you? Tell me, when did our deaths become part of your grand experiment? Has the inability to undo yourself in the past made you believe that you're immortal? That you have the power to resurrect us all?
Would you prefer panic, Dr. Adler?
I'd prefer success. And this mission has provided none.
Your tone is not one of debate. It's more like resignation. I need to see the tethers.
The tethers are fine. Hold on. Well, something's not right.
Move. This is a simulation.
Thought you should know. The rest of your boys are leaving.
I know.
You're not going with them? We'll start an evac.